Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after a long time I am going to make a video. So in today's video I will show you how to install Node.js. Node.js is very good tool for backend and for React. For mostly I am using Node.js for React developments. So there are many use cases for Node.js. So let's see how we can install Node.js step by step. So first you need to of course use a web browser to download Node.js. So I am using a default one, Microsoft Edge, but it is not that good. Reject. So first of all you need to search Node.js. You can see it automatically detected and download. So in here you can see there are many ads, but you can find the correct website by looking at the URL https://nodejs.org blah blah blah. So click that link and then you will be redirected to this page. Sometimes it will be directed to other pages. So go to download page and you can see there is a selection. You can select the Node.js version in here. There are two different ways to install Node.js using command line, of course, then also downloading directly by their website, and there are other third-party websites that host Node.js version, but I am recommending the official website. There are two different main versions in every given time. There is a LTS version and experimental version. LTS version means long time support. That is the stable version. It's give less errors and more optimized and other. But experimental version is has more features but not that stable. But most of the time it is okay to use. But if you are using to build some kind of production thing, then you need mostly LTS version, so it will be supported long time. So as you can see, get Node.js. In here you can select the version. There are many versions. Sometimes your project may need some specific version of Node.js. Sometimes Node.js version 18 needed. So you can see, you can download, go to selection and select Node.js version 18, or you maybe need to use some older version. So you can see select. As you can see, this version is not out of maintenance, but you can see you can download that version 0.12 to the current LTS version is 22.14, but the experimental version is 23.10. so you can select any version, but in this video I am going to select version 22.14. But if you are watching this video in future, the version can be changed. So your current LTS version is the best version, so select the current LTS version. Maybe it will be version 22 or 25, 30 maybe. So then you can select the platform. I am using Windows, so I can select Windows. If you are using Mac or Linux, you can select those as well. These don't worry that much. If you are in here, you can see npm and yarn. No that much different in npm and yarn, but some optimization and some features may be vary. So you can select your preferred version using this selection. So I'm going to use npm. Also you can use yarn also, but in this video I will use npm. So before downloading Node.js, I'm going to show you that I am not currently installed Node.js. cmd node-h. So you can see Node is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable operating system or batch file. So I am currently not installed Node.js. So I'm going to press download Windows installer MSI. Then you can see the file will be downloading in here. After downloading, you can go to the file location and double clicking, and then you will see the installation screen. So first you need to press next, then accept the terms and license agreement. If you have time, then read this. It's good practice. So then press next, then you can choose the file location. I'm keeping this as a default. So if you don't know what you are doing, your first time installing Node, or you are beginner for Node, so don't change the file location. It will be headache for you later. So keep it as it is. Then press next, then keep this as it is. So you can press next. Then if you don't have Python and other libraries, you also Visual Studio Code, those kind of application, you can also download them automatically using this one. But I am not going to install that way. I can also install those after installing Node.js. It's not compulsory, so you can press next and then press install. So this will install your Node.js into your PC. So after installing, click finish. Then you can check the installation is done correctly by using cmd type node dash version. Then you will see the version that you have installed in before. So as you can see, we have successfully installed Node.js. So I'm going to make some let's check the okay, I have created simple JavaScript file for you to demonstrate that Node.js is working. So as you can see, I have created a hi.js file. To run JavaScript file in Node.js, you can simply use node space and file name hi.js. So then you can see it has printed hi. So I think you have learned how to install Node.js. Please feel free to give us like and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you will get a notification in future. To get notification, also click the bell icon and press notification all icon, so you will automatically notified after I have uploaded video. So see you in the next video.